This morning, confusion is growing over the White House order to freeze billions of dollars in federal aid. Many organizations are now asking for clarification. Nicole D'Antonio is in Washington with the administration's response.
This morning, a federal judge has temporarily blocked the Trump administration's order to freeze billions in federal funding, even as it sowed chaos throughout the country and left many organizations scrambling for clarification.
Donald Trump's reckless action cut off funding to law enforcement, farmers, schools, child care, veterans, and health care. While he was out golfing, he threw the country into crisis. It's stupid, buffoonish, childish.
Federal grants and loans reach into virtually every corner of Americans' lives, with hundreds of billions of dollars flowing into education, healthcare, disaster relief, infrastructure, and a host of other initiatives. The judge saying, quote, "It seems like the federal government currently doesn't actually know the full scope of the programs that are going to be subject to the pause." The White House defended the funding freeze, saying it's needed to make sure programs don't run counter to President Trump's agenda.
It means no more funding for illegal DEI programs. It means no more funding for transgenderism and wokeness across our federal bureaucracy and agencies.
22 states and the District of Columbia are now suing the Trump administration over the funding freeze. White House Deputy Chief of Staff for Policy Stephen Miller clarifying the freeze is temporary and any Americans who receive benefits will not be impacted.
Donald Trump and his administration have not earned the benefit of the doubt. They are either lying to us or they are critically incompetent.
It comes as the Trump administration offers financial incentives for federal workers to quit as the president works to shrink, purge, and remake the federal government.
The American people voted for dramatic change implemented by Donald Trump.
Some federal employees are exempt from the buyout, including military personnel, postal staff, and immigration officials. Nicole D'Antonio, ABC News, Washington.